It's very funny that people are searching online how to commit suicide, but they are not searching how to live life happy, to be happy in life, how to be happy in life. They are not searching. People are busy searching how to end life easy. Recently, an engineer from Bangalore has committed suicide. He's committed suicide only because he made an Android app. He wanted to challenge WhatsApp. He wanted to make a app better than WhatsApp, but it didn't work, so he committed suicide. Come on, everybody have something in life. Everybody get chance. You don't have to give up. When you give up, that means you're ending your life. Don't give up. Keep your passion alive. Keep your dreams alive. When your dreams are alive, that means you are alive. That is very important, that don't give up. You have to keep trying. You have to keep trying. When you keep trying, success will come. Definitely success will come. When I was sitting, I don't have job right now. I'm not doing nothing. I was sitting at home just thinking, why people commit suicide? I was thinking, why do they really commit suicide? Why they have to give up? When there is lot of things to do in life. There is a lot of scope in life. Life is not like, there is not only job. There are many things to do. Many things where you can earn money. Many things, there are online, offline, whatever, e-commerce, delivery, food delivery, whatever it is, there is lot of opportunity if you are willing to do something different in your life. So I was sitting and suddenly a devil appears and he started telling me that, hell, you have screwed your life. Now it's time to go hell. I said, excuse me, who told you that my life is screwed? So he said that, no, your life will become hell. You are thinking this, why to come? I'm thinking to give advice to others. I don't want to end my life. I have not done nothing in life till. I'm trying. And till that I'm gonna try. So I don't want to give up. So he said that, what do you have? I said, I have many friends in life. Many friends I have in life. Friends is required for successful life. But I'm very happy that I have many enemies also in life. I said, why you need enemies? Because friends make your life successful. But enemies, those are the real persons who make your life super successful. If nobody criticizes you, if nobody pulls you down, you don't have any hope to go up, right? People should be there in your life to criticize you. People should be there to give you a motivation to do something. When people tell me that you cannot do this, you are not right person to do this, I get 100% joy doing that. I feel very happy when people say, oh, you're going to do that. I don't feel that motivated to do something. So it's very important, love your enemies. If you want to become super successful, love your enemies. If you want to become super successful, love your struggle. Face your struggle. That is very important. Remember that, don't give up. Giving up is something you are running away from life. So if you want to run away from life, that simple thing is that you have to give up. So don't give up. Keep struggling. Struggle, everybody has struggled. If you compare any Bill Gates, any billionaire, they have struggled. If you compare Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, Mark, everybody has struggled. If you compare Dhirubhai Ambani, everybody has struggled. They have not gone short. And who are more successful in life, who are more on top, they have struggled. They have not gone any shortcuts in life. There is no shortcut in life. But if you keep trying, if you keep doing, if you keep faith in you that you can change something, if you follow your heart, if you follow with 100% attitude, 100% passion, and definitely you're gonna achieve what you deserve to achieve. And one more thing is that what we do is these days is that we compare ourselves to others. My friend is so rich, I want to compare with him. Don't compare anybody in life. Be your own self. Do something for your own. Achieve what you can deserve. Maybe you can become more richer than your friend, but if you compare yourself that I want to become like him, you will be like him only. You're not gonna grow. So to grow, try to be yourself and be happy always. And start your day with the happiness, no matter how much struggle you have facing right now. No matter how much you are down right now, depression will not gonna solve your problem. Happiness attitude towards life. Whatever is gonna happen, I'm gonna face it. That is only gonna change your life. And always be happy and think about yourself, think about the world, and think what you're gonna do. Gonna end the life. And one more thing I want to say is that they say like we are too weak in this life. Don't have strength. But when I was searching, like women are more strong in life. When they give birth, it's like fracturing 20 bones at the time. If they can control that much pain with the excitement, why they can't face life? It's like fracturing 20 bones at the time of giving birth to a child. If they can face such a pain, why they can't face life? Life is more beautiful. Without pain, there is no gain. That is the fact of life. There is no pain, no gain. So start dreaming about big, achieving your dream, and go ahead with the beauty of life. Thank you for watching.